Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is a quick review of the new Turbo Racing C72 RC sports car. It's a 1/76 scale RC car, and this is the newest version coming from, well, not the newest. There's actually another new version that came along with this one, the C73, but this is the C72. And this one is modeled after an Eclipse. It's a little scale Eclipse. Check it out. Looks really awesome. A little different from the previous one that I showed, the C71. And so this one does come with an upgrade from the previous one. This is the side of the box here. Check it out. The newest upgrades are in blue. The throttle curve upgrade and the paint job there. So the paint job is the obvious thing, but this throttle curve is actually quite nice. It stops the car from spinning out the rear wheel. This is rear wheel drive, all of them are, but the wheels kind of spin out when you try to go with full throttle, and that throttle curve actually works quite well with this one. It prevents it from doing that. It doesn't do it as much, and it's easier for it to get some grip and for you to take off fast and really hit turns and stuff like that. That throttle curve makes a big difference. So a really big fan of the throttle curve that they added on this one. All of them should have had that. I think you can do that if you have a nicer transmitter. I think you can use Expo or whatnot to get the same type of effect, but the throttle curve definitely is awesome. It's very useful, and so everything else is the same. It comes with the same transmitter and all. The lighting under the bottom is blue though, so that's pretty awesome that they changed the lighting. Check it out, the blue glow under the bottom, so they all don't look the same. I think the other one has a different color glow on the bottom too, the C73. I think that's the next one I might try to get because I am in love with these little things. Proportional steering, proportional throttle, in case you guys don't know if this is your first time seeing one of these. But this is how it compares to the previous one. This is the C71. So it's a little smaller, not as wide. This one is wide body. So check it out. These wheels are custom on this one though, but the wheels are black now. And so check it out. A different shell, and the actual circuit board of this one is a little different than this one. So you can't use the same body covers on each of them. They're not swappable or anything like that. But really awesome that this one has the new throttle curve. This one doesn't, but you can get used to it. I have gotten used to driving this guy around the track, but this one just drives around so much easier. The handling is really nice on this one. And so the transmitter and all just looks a little different. It has a little accent. The accent on this transmitter, the transmitter that goes to this one, is silver. And so that looks quite nice. I like that. It also comes with these little decal stickers here. More like tattoos actually, because you have to put these things in hot water. You cut them out one at a time, and then you dip them in hot water for a while until they get soft, and then the little image can come off. You can sort of like slide it with your thumb and it'll come off, and you just lay it on the car or whatever you're trying to apply the image to. That's what this is here. On the old one, I cut out some of the images and put them on some of my older cars, made them look awesome. Check it out. Let me know in the comments how you guys like this. If it's awesome, if it's trash, let me know. Smash the like button for me also. And this guy is just awesome. This one here had that other feature where it rolls a little after you let off the throttle. This one does not do that, so still waiting for them to implement that. And these little guys, the little cars, and also I would want them to implement the braking on this one. I think that would be awesome to implement the braking. No braking on this one. If you're going forward and you slam on the throttle backwards, it'll just stop and go backwards. So not a big deal, but I still love this one. I think I like this one the most still because of the little tricks and stuff that it can do. But this guy is pretty awesome too for racing. I really like this on the tracks. It's a total beast on the tracks. And so the Turbo Racing C72. Proportional steering, proportional throttle. Tiny little RC car. 1/76 scale. Thanks for watching.